Okay, folks, this is Xena and Eli's 9-day-old German Shepherd puppies. Let's see if we can get a good video of these guys. They were born October 25th. There's this black one. So we have 3 boys and a girl. They're all big, very big for 9-day-olds. These are big German Shepherds. This is, as you can see, they're only 9 days old and their eyes are still closed. Their ears are still closed. They can't hear anything. So they're using their sense of smell for everything right now. This one's growling. Let's see. Hi. And this is the girl. This is a boy. This black guy's a boy. He's a talker. And this is a boy whose eyes look like he's trying to open here. Looks like he's trying to open his eyes a tiny bit. The 3 boys. Let me turn her around. And the girl. All very big. And that black one's gonna sell for more than the other ones. This is gonna be my black shepherd. And he's just growling now. He's a big guy. He's a big one. The rest are black and tan. Alright, stay tuned for more videos of Xena and Eli's puppies. We'll see you in 7 to 9 more days. Thanks for watching. Over and out.